Some use cases we're going to talk about is Moco Foods, which was a distribution center out of Wacol that we built within the last 18 months. That project spanned over the course of about 6 months, but one of the things that was very unique about that project is the insane amount of refrigeration space that we had. We had, I think it was close to 1,000 to 12,000 square meters of store refrigeration space. I'd have to look that up, but it was an insanely daunting room to walk into when it was originally built. They actually got their Energy Star rating, so that required us to do a lot of customized installation work to ensure that the cabling penetrations that we used were all refrigeration sealed. And when you're talking about 75 wireless access points, network data outlets, cameras, there was 40 to 50 odd network cameras to be installed in these refrigeration areas. We needed to ensure that they were atmospherically sealed from one side to the other to avoid condensation buildup, and also to ensure that the building itself could hold its star rating or its energy efficiency star rating. So that's sort of one element of the project that made it really challenging through the build, but the actual delivered outcome for Moco was amazing. One of the other key elements that we did was we worked very closely with the Moco team to ensure we could deliver a dock management system. So this is where the driver of the truck could drive up to the driveway, put in their PIN code that they'd been previously allocated through their booking, and it would come up on an LED panel saying, welcome whichever truck driver they were, and please proceed to whichever dock number they'd been allocated for that booking. So there was a lot of coding and back of house stuff that needed to happen to ensure that the access control system talked to the dock management system, and then the dock management system talked to a web page, and the web page displayed onto the screen. All of these steps took quite a lot of effort between all of us to make that happen. And that's not just to say about how the system was reliable. We also captured license plates of every vehicle coming and going, because the intended outcome is always that we have a license plate that as it picks up the license plate, it would actually do the same thing without having to put the truck driver's code in. So we're working consistently with Moco Foods, and that comes down to our core value of support. We really do support our customers on an ongoing basis.